Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a mock-up for a book cover. So if you are new here, consider subscribing as I keep dropping tips related to Photoshop, arts and design. So let's get started. I already have uploaded the mock-up I intend to use for this design. It's a realistic book cover that I have found. So what I'm going to do now is to apply my cover to it and possibly make some editing and effects. So the first step, as you can see, is upload the cover or the mock-up rather onto Photoshop, as I've done. If you have uploaded your cover, you now need to upload the cover to be used on this mock-up. So I'm going to go over to my file explorer and I'm going to pick my selected cover and drag and drop onto Photoshop. We now have our cover. I intend to use this cover. So what I'm going to do now is to right click and I'm going to have these transform options. I'm going to head over to the distort and select the distort. So once you've done that, we are going to drag in the endpoints of this cover towards the edge of the mock-up. As you can see, I've done that. I'm doing that currently. Once you drag that comfortably and looks in place or in perspective, it's your once you've done that, and head over and press enter in your keyboard or press OK. So we have our cover, but we need the mock-up to be of the same color with the cover. So what we're going to do now is to go to the mock-up layer and click on that. And once you've done that, you're going to head over to the select tool. I'm going to go to the color range and you're going to press OK. Once the blue colors are selected, you're going to press OK. As you can see, the blue colors are highlighted or selected. I'm going to now head over to the layers panel and I'm going to create a new layer by create a new layer option that is at the bottom corner here. Once you do that, you're going to see that a new layer is applied in between the mock-up and the cover. Once you've done that, you're going to head over to your eyedropper tool and select a color close to the edge of your mock-up. This is going to be the predominant color that is relevant in your cover page. So once I've selected my color, as you can see, I'm going to head over to the paint bucket tool. You can also press G on your keyboard to select the paint bucket tool. So I'm going to head over to the image and clicking on that to apply the color around the edges of the book. So as you can see, we have the color totally applied towards the edge of the book. You can now remove the selection by pressing Ctrl D on a Windows or Command D if you are using the MacBook. So once I've done that, you can see that the selection is out of the way. We now have our mock-up and it looks good. So you can now head over and save as an image. Thanks for watching. I hope this was educative and informative. Consider subscribing for more and I hope to see you on the next one. Good luck.